the solution for this example, in this case we have a number of files, CSVs, sitting in a folder. We want them all to be joined together. So I'm going to go to get data from file from folder. You then need to navigate to where that folder is. So depending on where you've put the files in your computer, we just need to track down ours. So you'll see there's the one called multiple CSV main folder. I'm going to say OK. We've got that. I'm going to say OK. What it now does, it goes and says it's found that many files in that folder. That looks fine. We can say combine if we wanted to. Combine and edit, combine and load to. I'm just rather going to go straight into edit so we can see the steps and we can see what PowerQuery is seeing. So again, at the moment what we're seeing is that in that folder are these 5 files. What I can do is if I want to now combine them, there's a little combine files button here. I click on it, and what it's now doing is going through, it's combined it, identified they're all CSV, just checking that you're happy that it's the comma that it's going to use. That looks all fine. We're going to say OK. And what it's now gone and done is put all the contents of all the files underneath each other, and just so we can trace back, it tells us the source. Where did it get the information from? If we're happy with that, I'm just going to close it and load it into our Excel file, and we've now got that. And you'll see it goes up to there, division 5. Now we're told, I'm just going to go into the raw folder, this is the folder we've now combined, division 1 to 5. But there is some more new divisions in this folder. So I'm going to take them, copy them, and just put them in the folder. And the reason we're doing this is because keep in mind the PowerQuery now knows the path to this folder. So we've now got them in there. What we now can do is if we want to update and now include the extra divisions, all we do is we right click on this query, and you'll see there's a refresh button. When I click refresh, it goes, sees that there are new items, and as I go down you'll see there's a whole bunch of new CSVs that have been pulled in. So it's now possible to set up a query that when you set it up the first time it only takes, for example, January, February, March, but as you add extra months in, it'll update the query.